OpenMV Cam can be programmed with VSCode now. Search for OpenMV in the VSCode Extensions Marketplace and install it directly. You can see the OpenMV examples in the sidebar. Click on the examples and open it directly. The most important thing is that we have added English code intelligence. If you place the mouse on the function, you could see the English document of this function. We have also added code completion, syntax linter. Click Connect in the lower left corner to connect to the OpenMV Cam. Click Run in the lower left corner to run the script. CTRL SHIFT P. Open the command palette. Type OpenMV Save. You can save the code to the main.py of OpenMV. This extension was developed by Singtown Technology. We will continue to maintain this extension and add more useful features. If you like this extension, you can install it and use it directly.